Assalamu alaikum and peace be upon you. In today's tutorial we will resume our task from determining structural similarity. As I explained earlier, structural similarity is used to find the index that indicate how much two images are similar. A value closer to 1 means the images are very similar. A value closer to 0 means they are less similar. In the code, for the first comparison of similar images, we get a SIM output of 1.0. In the second bit of code, in which we compare the image with its YPBPR counterpart, we get a SIM out of 0.43, which indicates less similarity. SIM takes 3 arguments. The first refers to the image, the second indicates the range of the pixels, the highest pixel color value less the lowest pixel color value. The third argument is multi-channel. A true value means the image contains more than one channel, such as red, green, blue. False means there is only one channel, such as grayscale. Okay, we have covered the very basic operations of image using library scikit. Very interesting. Now we moves on to advanced image processing using OpenCV. Now that we have looked at the basic image processing techniques using the scikit image library, we can move on to its more advanced aspects. We use one of the most comprehensive computer vision libraries, OpenCV, and examine very important aspects of this library. So let's start practice on these terms. Number 1 is blending two images. Suppose you have two images and you want to blend them so that features of both images are visible. We use image registration techniques to blend one image over the second one and determine whether there are any changes. Let's look at the code. Let's look at some of the functions used in this code. Import CV2. The complete OpenCV library is present in the package CV2. Let we learn how to install OpenCV. We use pip install command, then package OpenCV. This command will install it. Now all we need to do is import this package to use the classes and functions stored in it. Second point on the code is CV2.imread function. This function is very similar to skimage.io.imread function. We have CV2.imread function, which is used to read the image from a particular destination. We used this function many times in our previous tutorials. You may watch these tutorials. Third point in our code is CV2.addWeighted function. This function blends the two images. The alpha and beta parameters indicate the transparency in both images. There are a few formulas that help to determine the final blending. The last parameter is called gamma. Currently it has a value of 0. It's just a scalar, which is added to the formulas to transform the images more effectively. In general, gamma is 0. Third point in our code is CV2.imShow function helps to display the image in a new window, which is similar to skimage.io.imShow function. Fourth point in our code is CV2.waitKey function. This function is used so that window displaying the output remains until we click close or press escape. If we do not include this function after CV2.imShow function, the image are not displayed. This last point of our code is CV2.destroyAll window function. After we have clicked close or pressed escape, this function destroy all the windows that have been opened and save in the memory. Subscribe, like, and share my efforts. Thanks for your valuable time.